Step 1. Your grip is killing your pull-up, and you don't even know it. Your grip, like a politician's promise, falls down when you need it most. At the end of the video, you will know which muscles are you hitting with pull-ups. Gripping like this, shifting the thumb to the top of the bar, transforms the pull-up from a bicep-dominant struggle into a total back engagement powerhouse. Too wide, and your elbows filing for divorce from your shoulders. Too narrow, and your shoulders will let you know. Keep your hands above your shoulders. Pull your chest to the bar, not your chin, like you're peeking to someone's room. Step 2. Not pull halfway, and no jerking. 2 seconds to go up, and 3 to come down. Keep on until your back apologizes before your arms. People push their legs and hips to go up. You and I both know that's cheating. If you are doing that, you are skipping the hard part. That's why you are weak. Well, if you can't do even one pull-up, you're just for motivation, you know? Don't worry. Keep on trying. Your time will come. Step 3. Let's look up the most common mistakes in pull-ups. You come down halfway and yoink yourself back up. Come down, let your hands be straight. Then pull up. This is the right but hard way. Pull your chest to the bar, and suddenly your lats contract harder. Your upper back lights up. Your core stays tight, and your biceps have to actually work.